Hi there, students. To tot up. To tot something up. I think this is definitely a phrasal verb. To calculate the total of something. To add up. You've got a list of numbers and you need to tot them up. I took a piece of paper and totted up how much money I had spent in the sales. Would you tot up how much I owe you? Okay, so would you just add it all up together, add it all together? And that's the idea of to tot something up. To add up numbers or amounts of something, yeah, to get to a total. So yes, that tots up to £22.07, the total of all that is. Or yes, I bought the drinks and I totted up how much they were going to cost before the barman had time to do it. Okay, so to tot up, to reach a total of something, to add together, to total. Yeah, to tally, if you like, to tally up as well. Okay, so to tot up, to add together. As soon as I can tot up the scores, I will let you know who has won. Notice, so it's either calculate, yeah, as in add them up, or that adds up to. So the bill tots up to £3.20. Yeah, how much does that tot up to? So what is the sum of that? So either to tot up, to add it up, or it tots up to, the total comes to. Notice, tot it up, in separable. Yeah, tot the bill up, tot how much I've spent up. But then also you can use it intransitively. Just let me tot up, get the total of this. Yeah, that tots up to, notice that, to an amount. Okay, it tots up to £733. Yeah, the total is that tots up to. Notice as well, to tot or to tot up, this is a regular verb, so it has totted up to a lot of money. It totted up to 70 quid. And this is an informal phrasal verb. I would give it a 3, informality. Use it in an informal conversation. Use it when you're talking to a client informally or something like that. How much does that tot up to? Yeah, how much does it add up to? What's the sum? Don't use it in a semi-formal writing or anything like that. And then as to origin, well, it comes from total. Yeah, to get the total, would you total all of these numbers? Would you tot them up? And that itself comes from Latin totus, meaning all, whole, entire. So yeah, what would you tot that up? What is the whole amount? Anyway, enough. I can't tot up how many videos I've got. There are thousands of them. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So to tot up, to tot something up, it tots up to a number. Bye for now.